There's Doppler. How fast do you go?
95.
Oh, I go 93. Let me see if I can go faster, actually. No, I can't. I think I'm meant to go 95, but it just won't work.
Wait, so I'm faster?
Yeah, somehow.
Why?
I don't know. Probably because my vehicle is so low to the ground, and it's old.
I'm gonna stop right here for now.
Alright, you gotta guide me. Tell me, like, north, east, south, west.
Alright. So the hook looks like it's forming near Hibbing, which is like south to us.
Okay. Do I turn at all? South?
Uh, maybe, in a bit to Funkley, cause that's like close to like the way down to Hibbing.
Okay,
Or
so
we could wait here for now.
should I wait there?
Maybe.
Okay, I'm turning
Depends
around.
on if you want to.
I'm coming back. Cause I need Doppler to know where I need to go. Oh wait, there's a severe thunderstorm warning in Funkley actually, so I think I'm going to go to Funkley. Okay.
I'm gonna wait here to look at the storm
Okay.
and direct myself.
Oh, I think I see the start of a rotation down southwest.
You might be correct.
According to
Sure
my
are.
calculations.
According to my calculations,
Yep, that's a rotation.
yes.
Alright, tell me when to stop or something.
Alright.
I'm about to enter Funkley. Okay, I think I just entered. Yeah, I just entered Funkley.
Okay. I'm gonna start to move closer to get a look at it.
I'm
For
still
now, it
gonna.
looks like it's going towards Funkley.
Yeah, it said that it was. Hold on. I guess I'm gonna turn to Hibbing. I'm gonna turn into Hibbing. Like me, DrevilO plus Hibbing. I don't know if I should risk this. Where is it? Hang on. I'm checking the EAS. Yeah, it's meant to head to Funkley. Oh, it's orange TVS. I think I'm just gonna head down of. Braham and Cali. What? 20 morning. Okay, it's headed. It's actually meant to head like where I am.
Okay.
Yep, that's headed to Hibbing.
70 miles per hour.
Yep.
You're right.
I can't see the tornado.
Yeah, it's rain wrapped. It's fine.
60 miles per hour. Locations impacted include.
As long as you can track that tornado, you're fine.
For your protection, move indoors to a sturdy building. Avoid windows. Lightning and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rain squadrons.
Okay. Oh, it's pink. I think I might just have to flush probes and get out. I don't know. I'm gonna risk it. I'm gonna risk it.
National Weather Service.
Can handle like 160 to 170 or something. Yo, stop doing. Stop rear-ending.
I'm not.
Yeah. Yes.
I'm trying to view on my screen.
There's a rotation on him.
There's what?
There's a rotation on
There's a second one. There's a second thing.
Yeah.
Wait, it's happening again. There's a second tornado in it.
Okay. That tornado is about to be. I'm almost in the spot for You gotta tell me where to go.
Alright, to intercept the tornado, we want to go towards near where I am. Maybe where I am. Well, I can't see well, so we're trying to get a better view.
I don't have enough time. Oh, it's right here. It's right here. It's super fast. You're dead. You're dead.
Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Oh shoot!
Alright, I'm in it.
I'm in it! I'm in it! I'm in it!
Wait, was that the right tornado? Oh no, that wasn't the right tornado.
I'm alive!
That wasn't the right tornado, and it has black velocity.
That's what?
Yeah, dude, the one that we were trying to the one that I was trying to intercept has black velocity.
Oh no.
I gotta get out of here.
Tornado.
I can't intercept.
Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of
Back up! Oh my god, I'm dead. I'm absolutely dead.
If you think you're dead, I'm literally stuck trying to... Okay, there we go.
Oh wait, I have time. I have time. I have time. I'm running. I'm running. I'm running. Okay. I'm getting away. I'm getting away.
That thing has black velocity.
Oh, I see you.
Yeah, just deploy right there. I'm gonna hop in the back if that's okay with you.
No, not this.
Oh my gosh! I'm deploying just in case. Okay. 81 on my probe. 86.
165.
94.
165.
Whoa, debris! 128. 131.
170. 170.
140.
172.
Whoa!
171.
161.
172. I repeat.
181. 183. 215. 228.
Yo, 177.
I got 228, dude. 246. 246.
246?
Oh my gosh. I'm
Oh my
so...
God. 246, bro. What? Actually?
Yes.
Bro, I just looked at your stream. I just looked at your stream. Bro, if I tried deploying, I would have been dead. I was about to deploy and I just straight up left.
Dude, I
So
could have
scared.
died. So, dude, how many people are flying? What? How are
I don't
people
know.
flying?
Probably the whole chat.
How did Dom 3 survive? There's 2 of Dom 3s. There was a Dominator 2.
There's a Dom 2 in there.
Okay, that is...
Bro, how does a Dom 2 survive that? That's my question.
Oh wait, there's a Rax pole too. The Rax pole intercepted. Dude, by the way, my probe didn't get a direct intercept.
It didn't?
No.
Alright, I'm gonna move on. Do you see that wedge?
Oh my gosh! There it is!
Bro, that is absolutely massive. It has like purple. It has purple velocity.
north central Kiev.
Holy! Wait. Okay, I'm being careful. Don't worry. I'm being careful. Tiv is being careful.
I'm trusting you.
I can probably die. I'm probably gonna die. Oh my gosh, dude. That other tornado is crazy. Trust me on this. Trust me on this. Trust the process.
Nah, bro.
Trust the process! Oh!
Okay.
Whoa!
Oh my god. You. That's whack. It's whack. It's whack. It's whack.
Okay, don't say that.
No, the black velocity. Black velocity.
Come on, Tiv. Come on, Tiv. Come on, Tiv.
You're not surviving, bro.
I am. I am right now. I won't later. I survived! I'm surviving! Oh, hey, Doppler, that's you. Oh!
Alright, okay. 139 so far, but I'm like not that close. 140s.
I gotta place probes in front of this thing.
Well, I gotta get closer in the Dow. But like not so close I die.
Oh, there's a new tornado down by Hibbing. Yeah, down by Hibbing. But I gotta place probes in front of this thing. If I have the chance to intercept, I might. Because I need my footage. Here we go. I found my turning spot. Here we go. What winds are you getting?
I'm not getting anything because I'm too far. I'm trying to catch up, but there's too much stuff in the road. I don't think I'm gonna be able to get the tornado.
Okay, deploy. Okay. I'm ready. Here we go. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead.
I only got 115, chill out.
Still, that's bad. What? Oh. I'm dead, aren't I? I'm dead. Oh. Oh.
Oh my god.
Uh-oh.
You're cooked. You're cooked.
Whoa! I'm sliding.
Oh my god. You're dying. You're dead. You're dead.
Come on. Come on, please. Come on. Come on, Tiff. Oh! Oh! Wait, I'm surviving! I survived!
There's no way you survived.
I survived!
There's no way.
Oh my gosh! 179! Yeah, oh my gosh.
There's no way you survived that, bro. There's absolutely no way.
I slid so far.